All right, here we go, Chris. Personal NT baseball. Let's get it. Good luck, brother. Something huge. Oh, Big Mac. Big Mac. Mark McGuire, number 99, Chris. Dustin Pedroia to 99. Pete Rose Hit King to 49 for Cincy. Number to 99, Tom Murphy, one of those triple relic auto rookies. Next, Jonathan Gray to 99. Rookie patch auto, 4 colors. Next, Matt Olson to 99. Colossal jersey auto. Next, 1 of 10. Nice one here. Paulo Orlando, rookie patch auto for the Royals. Paulo Orlando, rookie patch auto, 1 of 10, Tudor. Next, another good one. Notable nicknames. Omar Vizquel to 25. And 6 of 25, Adam Wainwright, dual jumbo booklet. Tudor, very nice. Vizquel and Orlando. There you have it, brother.